Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake for your pig-in-grow-a garden. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Look for 3 specific items: 1 bag of flour, 2 cups of sugar, and 3 fresh berries. Once you have these, make sure you have a mixing bowl and a baking pan ready. Head over to your in-game kitchen or crafting station to begin. Now that you have your ingredients and tools, it's time to craft the cake. Start by combining the flour, sugar, and berries in your mixing bowl. Stir them thoroughly until you have a smooth batter. Next, carefully pour this mixture into your baking pan. Place the pan into your oven or crafting interface and bake for approximately 5 minutes until golden brown. Once the baking is complete, carefully remove the delicious cake from the oven. It should be perfectly golden and ready for your hungry pig. Transfer the cake onto a serving plate or directly to your pig's feeding trough. Watch as your pig enjoys its special treat, showing its appreciation with happy oinks and increased energy for your garden tasks. Feeding your pig these special cakes offers great benefits. A well-fed pig is a happy pig, and a happy pig contributes significantly to the overall growth and health of your garden. Regular treats can boost your pig's productivity, helping you achieve your gardening goals faster. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your real-life meal prep. Keep your garden thriving and your pig content.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.